Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can activate under 18 account on Revolut. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Revolut application and log in. If you haven't signed in yet, then do it first so that you can continue. And after opening the application, you will see the homepage of it. Overall states are available on its homepage so that you won't need to go anywhere to check them, and saves a lot of your time. Anyway, so now click on the hub icon at the bottom left corner in the icons tray. Here you will see a lot of options to select from. Just click on the less than 18 option. If you can't see it here, then just use the search bar on the top to locate it. After that, the under 18 section will show up in front of you. Tap on the start button at the right side of the page. The video purpose message of this section will start to play in front of you. To create an under 18 account, simply click on the create account. That's how you can activate under 18 account on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.